In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp birthday email marketing series. To get started, we'll first need to prepare our audience data. Before you can send out those delightful birthday emails, ensure you have your subscribers' birthday information. Head over to the Mailchimp dashboard and click on Audience, then All Contacts. Once you're there, look for Manage Audience in the upper right, click on it, and go to Settings. In the dropdown, you'll find audience fields and plot merge tags, which you should select. Here, you'll want to add a new field, naming it birthday, and be sure to set the field type to date. It might also be helpful to set a merge tag, something simple, like birthday. If you don't have this information yet, consider creating a form to collect birthdays from your subscribers. You could share this form via email or place it prominently on your website. Now let's create a customer journey. This is where your birthday email automation will live. From your Mailchimp dashboard, find Automations and click on Customer Journeys. Then you'll see an option to create journey. Click that and choose either start from scratch or use a pre-built journey, whatever suits your needs best. Give your journey a name, perhaps something like birthday email series to keep it clear and organized. Then click start building to move on. Our next task is to set the trigger for our birthday emails. This step determines when your emails will be sent out. Click on the starting point and select a date-based trigger. Choose the birthday field from the select date type dropdown to make sure it aligns with the birthday setup you did earlier. Set this to run annually so the emails get sent every year on each subscriber's birthday. You might choose to send it on the birthday, a day before, or even after, depending on your marketing strategy. With the trigger in place, it's time to add email actions. You can design a series of emails to honor the special day. Consider an email sent the day before, something like, "Something special is coming tomorrow." Then, on the birthday, send another message, "Happy birthday, here's your special treat," and perhaps a follow-up a day after, with, "Hope you had an amazing day, your offer still stands." To incorporate these into your journey, click the plus icon below your trigger and choose Send Email. Design your first email, and then you can duplicate it for the subsequent emails. Don't forget to set delays between emails, like a day after the previous one. That keeps the communication timely and relevant. Designing your emails is where creativity shines. Choose a template that matches your style, be it birthday, promotional, or a custom one. Personalize them with merge tags like fname and ul birthday wasa, and make it pop with engaging images or GIFs. Adding an exclusive coupon code or a call to action button like claim my gift can also enhance engagement. Remember, maintaining a celebratory and inviting tone with your brand colors can add a personalized touch. Once all the design elements are in place, review each email, the triggers, and delays carefully. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Turn On Journey in the top right corner. This action means Mailchimp will handle sending these delightful birthday wishes automatically each year. Finally, after all the hard work is done, you'll want to track the performance of your series. Navigate to reports and then customer journeys in your Mailchimp account. Keep an eye on key metrics like open rate, click rate, and revenue results from each email. This data is invaluable for making adjustments to improve the success of your birthday series, whether that means tweaking subject lines or changing up visuals and offers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Mailchimp birthday email marketing series that will surely delight your subscribers all year round.